Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings. Now we have to find the display and brightness option, so let's enter. And here in this, let's say, third section, we've got the eye comfort mode at the very top. So let's tap on it. And here, before we will be able to actually customize it, we have to turn it on. So let's first of all tap on Enable All Day. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors to some kind of yellowish colors outside. And it is because thanks to this it will simply filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you like to use your device at night, then this mode is the best for you. So here we've got the section, the switcher for the filter level, so we can change the intensity of that. By going to the left we can make it a little bit cooler, let's say, and by going to the right, warmer and more intensive. So it's up to you how you want to set it. And here we've got also the option to schedule it. So after tapping on it, we can pick the start and the end time. So you can pick, for example, something like maybe like that, and till the 7th next day. And as you can see, the screen immediately changes the colors again to this yellowish tones. Of course, it is because we are between the start and end time. But I will turn off this option. I would like to enable it all day. And basically this is the whole customization. So if you'd like to have the much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and here find the icon eye comfort mode. If you cannot find it here, no worries. Here you've got this edit icon, and it should appear right here. You will be able to tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first position. So let me tap on done, and basically if you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will get back to its normal state, and you can tap on it again to enable it. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.